Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public BBQ grill. Before you start, always inspect the grill for cleanliness and any damage. Make sure you have all your food, utensils, and fuel, whether it's charcoal or propane. Safety is key, so keep water or a small fire extinguisher nearby for any unexpected flare-ups. Being prepared ensures a smooth and enjoyable grilling experience for everyone. Now, let's get that grill lit safely. If you're using charcoal, stack your briquettes in a pyramid and use a chimney starter or just a small amount of lighter fluid. For gas grills, always open the lid first, then turn on the gas and ignite. Give your grill about 10 to 15 minutes to preheat, reaching a good cooking temperature for even results. With your grill hot, it's time to cook. First, clean the grates with a wire brush, then lightly oil them to prevent sticking. Remember, direct heat is great for searing, while indirect heat works best for slower cooking or thicker items. Always use a food thermometer to ensure your food reaches a safe internal temperature, like 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry. Once your delicious meal is done, proper cleanup is essential. Let the grill cool down completely before you start. Scrape the grates thoroughly to remove any food residue. If you use charcoal, dispose of the ashes in a designated metal container, never in a trash can. Always leave the public grilling area clean and tidy for the next person to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.